Hey gang, Carl White here. Welcome to another episode of Loan Officer Freedom. This is actually a special episode. I just want to tell you about something I'm going to do and give you the opportunity to be a fast action early implementer, so you get some extra bonuses. So if you've been listening for a while, you know I'm really all about helping loan officers, just like you, close more loans, grow their business, and create the freedom you deserve. And now I'm taking that mission to the next level with a very exclusive in-person event happening right here at my own mortgage office. So now, before we dive into what you'll learn, let me tell you why this is different than anything you've attended before. I've never done one of these before. This is my first time ever. So this is not just like another training or seminar. It's a chance to go behind the scenes of what's working now in today's market. So me and my team, we close hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of loans each and every month. And what we're going to do, including this very last month, and what you're going to do is you're going to get the real blueprint for success. A lot of people have made copies of this, but none of them, nobody, none of them has the amount of closings that me and my team does. And it's because they miss the small things that makes all the difference in the world. Here's the kicker. On this event, you're actually going to meet members of my very own team so you can see firsthand who does what. And what I mean by that is I'm going to map out like what a loan officer assistant does. I'm going to show you exactly what they do versus what the loan officer does. I'm then going to share with you how you can get one even if you think you can't afford it. And then I'm going to show you here's how much they get paid, here's where you find them, here's the ad to place, and here's one of mine so that you can meet them firsthand and kind of get their vibe, what are they made of? What's their personality like? So that you can copy them and reproduce that in your own market. So when you place your ad and they answer, you go, you know what? This kind of sounds just like the loan officer assistant that I met at Carl's office. So I think now I know what they, and I say look like, I'm using air quotes, you know, what their vibe is. Now it's easier for you to hire your own in your company, in your office, because you've seen exactly what a winning team looks like. And we're going to do that for a lot of the different members of my team, where you're going to meet them and be able to ask them questions about what they do and how they help their loan officers close more loans so that you know what to duplicate back in your office. So you're going to see firsthand how I've trained and equipped my team to handle the busy work so that I can focus on the things that really matter, which frankly is building relationships and driving referrals. And if I may say so, most importantly, spending more time with my family. So at this event, you're going to, number one, you're going to learn how to position yourself directly in front of agents who are doing most of the deals, right? How to get in front of the agents that are actually doing the deals. Number two, I'm going to show you the scripts and give them to you that give you the confidence to increase your conversion rate. The higher, like there's two parts of business. There's traffic and there's conversion. So I'm going to show you how to get the traffic, and then I'm going to show you how to increase your conversion with them. Number three, I'm going to show you how to identify your most effective referral partners and where to find them. Number four, ways to utilize your existing database, like get more loans from your own database without feeling salesy. And then number five, I'm going to show you the exact tools and strategies that perhaps could double or maybe even triple your business without sacrificing your nights and your weekends. Plus, I'm going to break down what a structured A team looks like when you're closing 10, 20, 30, 40 loans per month. So whether you're closing 5 loans per month or 2 loans per month or 10 loans per month or 20 loans per month, I'm going to show you the differences between the two, the activities that you as a loan officer do that differentiates that, and then what the team looks like. So I'm really looking forward to doing it. And, I'm all about, building freedom and helping you crush it in the mortgage industry. And I'm really looking forward to you coming. So if you go to mastermindretreats.com, mastermindretreats.com, you'll see all the information there. Hey there. Hey, if you're loving the tips so far, be sure to hit that subscribe button right down there and then tap the little bell so that you never miss out on more free, cool tips coming your way. Also, I would love to hear from you. Drop a comment beneath there. Let me know what you think or tell me what you'd like to hear next. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. You say, hey, Carl, I've been to events before. What makes this one different? Let me tell you what sets this one different. This isn't another event filled with fluff and theory and fist pumping. So it's my belief that it's my understanding that my team is closing the most amount of loans of any other trainer in the industry that I know of. And we're going to be showing you exactly how this works. This is like an immersive experience where you're going to get proven systems, proven strategies, and we're going to show you the proven tools that are already working for top loan officers just like you. And so picture this, you walk into your office, and instead of chaos and overwhelm, you have a clear plan. You have the right systems, and you have a team that's operating like a well-oiled machine, right? You've got more time, you've got more income, and you've got more freedom to focus on truly what matters, whether it's spending time with your family or traveling or simply just enjoying life. And that's exactly what you're going to walk away with when you go to mastermindretreats.com, mastermindretreats.com. So again, this is going to be held at my own private office. You'll fly into Detroit. The office is in a area, a little city called Plymouth, which is about 30 minutes away from the airport. But all the information about it is at mastermindretreats.com. It's going to be a Thursday and a Friday, and it's going to be from 8:30 to 5 o'clock each day. So we're going to be spending a lot of time for those 2 days. And again, this is not some massive impersonal seminar. Like, I'm keeping it small and intimate with just 45 seats available. About half of them are already gone. But I'm doing it, keeping it small like this. Number one, it's at my office. That's all the room I've got. So we can't, well, if we just open up 10 more chairs, because I'd have to break down a wall to do that. I don't think we're going to be doing that. But the big thing for you is you're going to be getting personalized attention and the chance to ask the questions that matter the most to you. And so if you've been waiting for the right opportunity to elevate your business, I'm telling you, this is it. This is it. We're seeing this is going to be one of our best years ever as far as volume in the mortgage industry. And get this, we have a severely decreased amount of loan officers to be closing all of these loans. So what that means to you is there's a lot more loans to go per loan officer, as long as you put yourself in the right position to do so. And so again, you're going to be at proven strategies, personalized attention, networking opportunities. And here's the cherry on top. Again, I'm going to give you bonus material. So if you register early, you're going to get exclusive access to bonus materials and a one-on-one follow-up session to make sure that you're implementing these strategies effectively. So if this sounds like the breakthrough you've been looking for, meet me at mastermindretreats.com, mastermindretreats.com. And so, hey, I'm looking forward to it. Appreciate it. Thanks so much. You know, a lot of loan officers say, Carl, I want to work less. I want to make more. I want to live a life of freedom. I just don't know how to get there. This retreat is your roadmap. Me and my team, we're completely pulling back the curtain, show you exactly how to build the systems, how to build the team, and the culture that you need to thrive. And let me tell you, my team is excited, and we are ready to show you firsthand what a winning environment looks like so that you can replicate it for yourself. So head over to mastermindretreats.com to secure your seat. Remember, spots are limited. They're filling up fast. I'm so excited to meet you. Looking forward to shake your hand, and I'm looking forward to help you take you to that next big step toward freedom. And you've heard me say it before, freedom isn't some far off dream. It's right here. It's right within your reach. All you have to do is reach out and grab it. So meet me at mastermindretreats.com, mastermindretreats.com. Hurry up and get registered so you can get those special bonuses, and looking forward to seeing you there. So, all right, that's it. So, hey, on the next episode, we're going right back into our content just like what we always did. And I know this is coming out of the blue. It's not on one of our scheduled days, but I just want to make sure that you got that my loyal listeners and followers got the opportunity to come to this event before it gets filled up with me blasting it out to my email list. I wanted to give our listeners the first shot at coming. You deserve it. It's your time now. You're worthy of great success, and I'd like to help you achieve it. So mastermindretreats.com. I'll see you there, and I'll see you right here on your next episode of Loan Officer Freedom. You're worth it. Take action. I'll see you there.